Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Gadgets Insider. Today, we review the absolute best dash cams with night vision for 2026. So, let's get started. Kickstarting our list at number 5 is the upgraded BOTSLAB GE300 Plus. This powerhouse features a cutting-edge Starburst 2 sensor and massive f1.5 aperture, making it an absolute beast for night driving. It captures crisp 4K front and 1080p rear footage, covering ultra-wide angles to eliminate blind spots completely. Plus, you get a free 64GB card, lightning-fast 5GHz Wi-Fi, and hands-free voice control. It is incredibly easy to install and provides total peace of mind on dark roads. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Coming in at number 4 is the TERUNSOUl 3-channel dash cam system, which is a perfect choice for rideshare drivers and family road trips alike. This high-tech system records crystal clear 4K video from the front camera, plus high-definition 1080p video from both the rear and the cabin cameras. Together, they give you complete 360-degree coverage inside and out. Its premium Starlight-grade lens features a wide f1.6 aperture and built-in advanced high dynamic range technology to capture every sharp detail on dark roads. You will absolutely love the pre-installed 128GB memory card, the high-precision built-in GPS for real-time speed tracking, and the ultra-fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for instant smartphone downloads. It delivers complete driving protection, an impressive 18-month warranty, and total peace of mind every single time you start your engine. Securing the number 3 spot is the impressive ROVE R2 4K Dual. This system brings serious upgrades with a Sony Starburst 2 sensor and a bright f1.5 aperture for unparalleled low-light performance. It shoots gorgeous 4K front video and 1080p rear footage, covering wide angles with ease. You get a free 128GB card, super-fast 5GHz Wi-Fi for quick phone transfers, and built-in GPS. Its advanced parking mode even gives you helpful voice alerts when you return to your car. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2 is the Vantrue N4 Pro S. This flagship 3-channel system uses triple Starburst 2 sensors to record crystal clear 4K front, 2.5K rear, and 1080p inside footage. With advanced night vision 4.0 and plate pix technology, it captures readable license plates even in the dark. You get super-fast 5GHz Wi-Fi, precise GPS, and convenient voice control. It is an absolute powerhouse for total, round-the-clock vehicle protection. And finally, claiming the number 1 spot on our list is the incredible Vueroid S1 Infinite. This ultimate dual dash cam records in spectacular 4K front and 2.5K rear resolution, driven by the elite Sony Starburst 2 sensor. Night driving is completely flawless thanks to its premium night vision and proprietary image processing. What truly sets this model apart is the brilliant AI license plate restoration and an extreme low-power parking mode that draws under 1 mA. It even features smart geofencing to automatically turn off parking surveillance when you pull into your home driveway. With a free CPL filter included to eliminate windshield glare, plus a hardwire kit, it is the absolute gold standard for 2026. We are done for today. See you again next time. Thank you.